What is Alachlor? Alachlor is a solid, white, and odorless herbicide used to control weeds and other plants. It is often sold under the trade name Lasso. Other names include Chimichlor, Alanox, and Pilarzo. Where can Alachlor be found and how is it used? Alachlor is used to control annual grasses and broadleaf weeds growing among corn, sorghum, soybeans, and other crops. Alachlor is the second most used herbicide in the United States. Heavy use occurs in Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Minnesota, Nebraska, Ohio, and Wisconsin. Alachlor is found in groundwater at low levels. When it is applied to soil, it breaks down in a short time. How can people be exposed to Alachlor? Alachlor is a restricted-use herbicide. This means it may only be applied by persons who are certified to use it. For this reason, most people will not be exposed to Alachlor. If you work with Alachlor, you have a higher risk of exposure. You could be exposed to Alachlor through touching it during application. You could also come in contact with Alachlor if you touch water that contains the chemical. If groundwater contains Alachlor, this could happen when you bathe or shower. Swallowing it when you eat food grown where Alachlor has been used. Drinking it from ground or surface water near where Alachlor has been used. How does Alachlor work and how can it affect my health? Alachlor can cause skin or eye irritation. Drinking water containing Alachlor over long periods of time may damage the liver, kidneys, eyes, and spleen. In rats, exposure caused nasal tumors. Alachlor is thought to be a possible cancer-causing substance. How is Alachlor poisoning treated? There is no treatment just for Alachlor poisoning. A doctor will treat the symptoms. What should I do if exposed to Alachlor? If you touch Alachlor, stop work right away. Remove clothing that contacted the chemical. Wash your skin with soap and water for 10 minutes. If you get Alachlor in your eyes, flush eyes with large amounts of clean water. If you swallow Alachlor, get medical help. What factors limit use or exposure to Alachlor? Products containing Alachlor are restricted-use herbicides. This means they may only be used by persons who are certified to use them. They may also be used under the supervision of a certified person. If your well water is polluted with Alachlor, drink bottled water. Is there a medical test to show whether I've been exposed to Alachlor? A blood or urine test may show if you were exposed to Alachlor. Technical information and resources can be found in the video description. The Poison Control Center can be reached 24 hours a day at 1-800-222-1222. DPH can be contacted at 1-888-295-5156.